welcome to my channel Life Lens with Sibi. I just finished work and it's early, so I thought of cooking something. So I decided to cook chicken curry, which is simple and easy. So let's dive into my world of cooking.
For this dish, we need some fried onions. So I started with cutting onions into thin slices. Deep fry the onions in oil. We want the onion to turn golden brown in color before we take them out. Now I have taken 1.5 kilos of boneless chicken breast, cut it into small size cubes or any size according to your preference. I like the pieces to be medium to small size in my curry. Transfer the chicken pieces into a mixing bowl for marination. For marination, add 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of Kashmiri chili powder, 1 to 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, Now add the previously fried onions, add 2 chopped green chilies, half a cup of chopped cilantro or coriander leaves, 4 to 5 mint leaves, 1 tablespoon of garam masala, I am adding approximately 1 tablespoon of chicken masala. Here I have used Everest brand, which I prefer more. Squeeze 1 tablespoon of lemon juice into it. And now give it a nice mix so that the chicken pieces are fully coated with the spices. Now add a pinch or 2 of dried kasuri methi. This is optional though. Add 1 cup of yogurt, that is curd. I have used whole milk yogurt. Now mix it well. Allow it to sit for 2 hours in the refrigerator. Now heat a pan or a pot on medium flame. Add some oil. Here, use the leftover oil that we had used to fry the onions. Once the oil is heated evenly, add 4 to 5 finely chopped garlic cloves and half a cup of chopped cilantro. Let it fry in the oil for a minute or so. Now add the marinated chicken pieces into the pan. Stir the chicken for a few minutes on high flame. Now turn the heat to medium and close the lid. I'm not adding water here as the chicken itself will ooze out water during cooking. You are welcome to add water according to your needs and required consistency. Cook the chicken for about 20 to 25 minutes with the lid on. After about 25 minutes, my chicken curry is ready with the perfect amount of gravy. The chicken is soft and tender with the spices coated nicely. I have posted the whole recipe in the description box. Please like and subscribe my channel for more videos.